Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of the Matsai sisters. So this episode opens up with the family meeting. One thing about the Matsai sisters, guys, each and every week there's a family meeting. I'm just like, for you guys that always have family meetings, guys, is it not draining? Anyway, if family meeting, Ibizo Busi. Busi is the one who called this family meeting. And she says, listen, angiko happy guys, angiko right. And in her diary session, she says this meeting is about black text. And she says that, listen, she's been holding her family for years. And in the is that she feels like they don't see imizamo yakhe, they don't acknowledge the right things that she does for the family. Instead, they focus only on the wrong things that she does. I can. So when she starts off the meeting, everyone's there. She says that, listen, nami ngingumuntu and nami ngiyakhathala. Uphumzile selapushile. She has left the house. Angithi uphumzile uphushe ngami. All thanks to ubusisiwe uphushe ngami. Hi, Bo. I'm just like, and then Busi, what is this meeting about? So Shukthini mawusithi uphumzile uphumile la endlini and uphushe ngawe. Uphumzile's like, what? Hi boy, you crazy when? Ubusi's like, sis makeke, I think it's jello and you didn't buy groceries like for 6 years. She's like, Gaibo, when please, when please, what do you mean with pushing our mina? The family this side, Bazamukoza upumzile, they telling Pumzile, whoa, let Ubusi speak and get to weary busy meeting. Let her speak, and then when she's done speaking, then unga Paula, or you can add whatever you want to add. Upumzile is like, no, I can't keep quiet. I'm not getting too low, tagi long pushing guy. Ubusi at this point, she gets up, she's like, oh, vele la ekhaya, umuntu mekakhuluma iqiniso uyahlanya ngithi uyahlanya ngithi athi ngintshele again. Wena Phumzile awuna next. Let me tell you guys, uPhumzile, she acts like ingati she unemali le ntombazane uneyikonoto usezikolotweni. In fact, she is in deep debt and ziyamkinya. Guys, we are literally few minutes in the episode and I'm just like, how did a conversation that it went from 0 to 100 in seconds? Listen, in seconds. I personally feel like what Ubusi said, I feel like there could have been a better way for her to say what she said if her intentions of this meeting was not to rub Phumzile off in the wrong way. Listen, guys, I get where Ubus is coming from. It's a painful thing. If when you feel like you've been upholding your family financially, and then part of these people benefit from imizamo yako buys a house out of the blue, it's painful because it feels like, oh, I'm sacrificing things for them. Kanti umuntu uzibhekele izinto zabo. I am behind in life. Ngitshela ukuthi angenzi next ngemali yami. Kanti the people who I'm supporting, they are saving their money to buy themselves a house. So I get where Ubusi was saying, she's saying, Phumzile has been making me doing everything lie and me because she's been saving for a house. Uphumzile in her diary session, she says, listen, Ubusi ukhunyiwe, she is smoking something. She goes on to say, would you imagine umuntu that has never been as a supporter mina makale ngaye azikhiphe aye zoo. If she can take herself out to the zoo ukhuluma ngobusi, then maybe singakhuluma. I'm just like, hey bo Phumzile. Anyway, uThoba, she comes in the conversation, she's like, whoa, Busi, when mawuthi ukuthi uPhumzile uphushe ngawe, what makes you say that? Busi says, listen, uPhumzile did not buy food for 5 years. Sisebenza sibayi 2 mina noPhumzile. uPhumzile has not been buying food for 5 years. I used to buy food for la ekhaya bese ngithengele noZanele. Remember? Bese ngithengele noZandile rather. Remember uZandile, she's the twin that is staying as Slovo. So Ubusi is saying ukuthi she used to buy food for uZandile because you remember uZandile, she lost everything going through a divorce. So she used to buy food for uZandile plus la ekhaya. And that time uPhumzile was not doing nothing. Uphumzile is like, mina ngenaphi? You the one wena noZandile, you guys have a relationship. So you chose to buy ukudla for uZandile. So that's you guys' relationship. Mina ngeni ndawo lapho in that, in all of that. At this point, guys, Ubusi, she's screaming and like her voice, you get like she's even out of breath. That's why I'm like, what was the point of this meeting? And I think that is so important, guys. If this is a family meeting, you must first make up your mind, what is my point in this family meeting? If your point is that you're coming to fetch someone, listen, we can all easily fetch someone sikale the way Ubusi akale ngayo by saying ukuthi uPhumzile upushe ngami. Obviously that was going to push uPhumzile that was gonna rub her in the wrong way. But if really it was to say ukuthi guys, like, listen, she could have used better words, but everyone is tired, guys. And though yes, it doesn't necessarily mean Ubusi is jealous that uPhumzile bought a house, but ibuhlungu, guys. I get anyway, uPhumzile, she's like, mina ngizingela. So Ubusi goes on to say, Mama, bengiqala wena ukhuluma iqiniso ke. At this point, she's screaming. She's like, Mama, khuluma iqiniso. Unokuzana uPhumzile mekaholile uthengani? Uthenga i-chicken dust. That's what she buys. Nge-payday kuphela, you will never see her buying anything. Uthoko comes in and she's like, hey, mina Phumzile, mina ngizwile. I heard ukuthi wena uthatha ishebo sikabusisiwe asithengayo ukhere ngayo emsebenzini uphinde uphakele nomngane wakho. Ha, guys, that is so insensitive. Ngebuthi, you don't buy ishebo la endlini, udla ishebo sala endlini, then uphakele umngane wakho. Like, what is that? uPhumzile, when she responds, she's like, yeah, fanele, why fanele ngimphakele umnganami, why not? Uthoko's like, no, why would you take ishebo sala endlini that you didn't buy uyophakela omunye umuntu? uPhumzile's like, hayi bo, mina talking ngiyasithenga ishebo lana each and every Sunday, ngibuya nenyama and I come back with veggies. uZanele then comes in. Remember, uZanele is the twin that gets along with uPhumzile. So uZanele says, I got Phumzile when you lost that years back. So if uZanele who gets along with uPhumzile saying that we should equal and uPhumzile I khulumaika, she really hasn't bought groceries in 6 years. Phumzile goes, so not uPhumzile, uZanele says, you lost that years back. Wena uthenga ichisa nyama mawuholile and that's it. uPhumzile, like, she goes out she posts on social media ukuthi yena use restaurant watarathengi next la endlini. So kusho ukuthi uPhumzile is those type of people, guys, maybe ngaphandle, they go to the restaurant badle basuthe bangena endlini abazingeni bona ukuthi uphekwani kudlwani because anyway they are full. I get Phumzile in her diary station says the issue here is that mina ngithenge indlu and they don't know how I did it because I did not tell them. That's the thing that's not sitting right with them, is the fact that ngithenge indlu and banomona. I get uPhumzile goes on to say she says to her sisters nina ke inkinga yenu ukuthi nidliwa umona. That's nidliwa inkinga yendlu. That's why we even having this meeting. She goes on to say that's the only reason why you guys are getting worked up. At this point, everyone's speaking like is against what uPhumzile is saying. This is a known fact ukuthi uPhumzile abathengi kudla, guys. Uphuma kwama restaurants ashoot for Instagram abuye sekasuthi. So everyone is like, Phumzile, like, we all know that, girl, like, stop lying. That time umama laphayana, the mother is just keeping quiet. And I'm like, why is she quiet? But the thing is, even if she speaks up, uPhumzile is gonna be like, vele abangithandisisi. She always takes side in. uPhumzile is like, yes, the issue is the fact that I bought a house. She goes on to say, "Uthi wena Zandile unomona shame. You couldn't even congratulate me when we had the pajama party. You couldn't even congratulate me nje nomona ngakhona, and nomona wakho is going to kill you one day." Oh, uZandile is like, mina angikufuni shame Phumzile, and angifihli, angikufuni, and I don't pretend. Like, what would I want? That's yours. Because Mina, I've had a house before, I lost my house. So these things that you're excited to have, I've went through them already. Like, why would I be jealous of you? But again, the mother of the Matsai sisters in the diary station, she says, Yazin, what I don't like about uPhumzile is that une anger. I'm saying to myself, which at this point, Mama, everyone's got anger, everyone's got issues, and all of you guys need help. Uzanele, yeah, she ends up summarizing this. She's like, okay, whoa, fine, ge. When Phumzile ngithi sowuphumile la endlini, so focus on your life, it's fine. Thobo wena ushadile unengane, focus on your family. Wena Busi, focus on your children, get a nanny, get someone ozonakekela ingane zakho, and buy nothing la ekhaya. Your paycheck is yours, and take care of your children. When Zandile nawe ke land umntanakho, come fetch your child and focus on that. Then uBusi says, hey, mina, angisafuna ukuba yi-loser emhlabeni. Angisafuna ukubhekeka ingathi mina I'm not doing anything with my life, so I'm going to stop doing everything. Nomjolo ngizoyeka, nginaka abantwana bami, focus on me and my children and my life, and then I'm going to get someone ukuthi axine la endlini. That sounded like a solution, but you know, one thing I'm realizing, guys, is that there's a selfishness aspect that I feel like these sisters are not taking into consideration. Pala, guys, all of their children besides Utobo and uPhumzile, before uPhumzile left, their children stay in the yard, guys. So, like, let's just talk about their mother. What is their contribution towards their mother's life? Because I don't know at this point if Umawabo, we are holy grand. Who's gonna take care of her? Let's start there. Even if we can say Ikrantiake is gonna buy food, guys, these people have children who are staying in the yard. So their children is gonna, the granny, she cannot cook while her grandchildren are here in the yard, angabaphakeli. So I feel like it's a bit selfish. If you've got a child that stays in the yard, guys, you have to contribute towards groceries. You can't isolate that. Like uBusi, merasituzwe nagging ganzake, yet her children stay there. Who's going to cook for the children? So what do you mean you don't want to contribute towards groceries? So they should just come up with a plan where sonke sifaki mali or something like that. You can't tell me what Utobo's children don't visit because Utobo is forever there. uPhumzile yena, her one child or her two children are very close with the whole family. They're always there. So what is this thing? I feel like it's a bit selfish because it's like your children are going to eat there because your mother cannot cook alone while unezulwane and the children are not going to eat. So if you have a child, you can't of contributing towards food. That's the first factor. Number two, guys, the only person amongst these people who look like they are not working is uZanele. And that's why uZanele is coming up with the solution to say, Wuti, hey, nadani ndaba zenu, because it looks like now nizamu wuti, you guys are taking care of me at my age. But guys, let's consider this. uZanele takes care of uBusi's children. She doesn't pay her a cent. So my question is, uBusi is saying she's going to get someone to help take care of her children. That money that she's going to be paying to take for a nanny, why couldn't she just contribute? Why can't she just fine? Yes, I'm paying towards, or I'm contributing towards grocery, but uZanele helps me with my children and she eats from this grocery and angimkhokheli next. Isn't that something to consider? Number two, uZanele helps uPhumzile namabhizinisi wakhe. So why doesn't uPhumzile? So I feel like it's a very selfish thing. And one thing I've noticed is that in families, when there's someone ohlala ekhaya who is taking care of the house, helping, taking care of the older people underestimate the work that goes into that. And I feel like that's not fair. We will see, guys, if really this plan, if it works out. But I'm just saying, what uZanele helping these sisters out in a great and mighty way, and I feel like they are not seeing that and not appreciating that. So fine, umuntu makathathe ingane zakhe, and let's see ukuthi how they're gonna cope with that. Anyway, next scene we see uZandile. She's going for a therapy session, guys, and she says, listen, she needs to offload and she needs to just talk. So mayafika laphayana to the therapist. She tells the therapist ukuthi lalela, like, a lot has happened in my life, like one thing after another thing. She says, instead of izinto zilunge, things are just getting worse. She says since 2017 she's been trying to divorce, and let divorce ayifuna ukuphela, guys. Imagine from 2017, guys, that is a very painful thing. So she's saying 2017 she's been trying to divorce. This divorce is not finishing. The child is on medication and she has to take care of the child and the medication that the child is taking alone. So she's saying, Wuti, like, this is a lot, and she says that she's been strong for so many years, but manje she can't anymore. The therapist says, Wuti, yazi, the thing is, when you've got childhood traumas, you can't run away from childhood traumas, because ezinye izinto ziyabuya, guys, and they will catch up with you. And then ubukeka ngathi umuntu orasayo, kanti it's not that umuntu othanda ukurasa, it's that kunezinto ezidlayo ngaphakathi, and it's just coming out like that. uZandile, she could relate to that, because listen, we've been saying uZandile uthanda ukulwa. So maybe this is it, guys. Maybe it's that, it's not that uthanda ukulwa uZandile. Maybe it's that unezinto ezimdlayo ngaphakathi, and it's just coming off in this way. So the therapist goes on to ask Uchi, do you have a support system ekhaya, your family? uZandile says, yes, my mom, uZanele, Benotoba, they do try, and Lokuzana, they do try and support me. But listen, I feel like Ekaya, we are all damaged. We all need help. But uZandile, in her diary session, she was crying, guys, and she was like, listen, these childhood traumas, sometimes they come back as flashbacks, and it's so much for her to deal with them, because sometimes she feels like uzelena, like it's one problem after another problem. But the therapist ended up closing up the meeting, saying that, listen, I think I need to meet up with all of your family, so that, because I feel like part of your healing is there as well. Okay, next scene we see uPhumzile. She's in her apartment, guys, ziyafukuza laphayana, and she's like, lalela, since I've moved into my own apartment, nginguCinderella, hey, ngifukuza ingathi nginguCinderella, hey. And she says she's not used to it. She's like, now that she has her own place, mele ukuthi apheke, she needs to wash dishes, ngalani athengisa ama-t-shirts, uthengisa namazimba. She's like, hey, ngiyamkhumbula uZanele. And this is what I was saying. If uPhumzile saying she's not used to cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, usho ukuthi le ekhaya, who is doing that? That's why I'm saying I feel like this family, they don't appreciate umsebenzi kaZanele just because she doesn't have an ordinary work like the rest. But who's doing the dishes? Who's washing the dishes? Who's doing the cooking? Who's doing the cleaning? All of those things that you just come back and you're like, oh, we'll clean. You think the house cleans itself? No. So anyway, that scene ends, and then we see uZandile benoZanele. So uZandile is working with uZanele. She's catching up. She's telling her that lalela Zanele, I went to go and see a therapist. And she's explaining everything about the therapist. She's like, listen, Zanele, I feel like nginomsindo, and I feel like umsindo wami is a cry out for help. uZanele says, yes, the past few months, it hasn't been easy being next to you, because you are always having outbursts, ukhulumela phezulu. Your character, man, has changed. You've moved from a 0 to 100, which is concerning as your twin, like we are Sanjay. So uZanele says, and mina angwazi, like, I don't know you as a person like this. You know what, uZanele, I feel like she's not a good listener. I don't want to lie. I don't feel like this was the right time for her to say to uZandile, the past few months haven't been a good time. Like, it hasn't been easy being next to you. Because uZandile is here telling her, listen, I went to a therapist to go and seek help. So I felt like uZandile should have just kept quiet and listened. Like, this was not a time to tell her, would you really wena in like, no, you know? But anyway, uZandile goes on to say, like, I'm not trying to justify the way I've been acting, but it really has been a cry out for help, like angikho right. UZanele goes on to say ukuthi, hey, yazini, the past few months ukhuluma nathi anyhow, you speak to us like it's like you don't have any regard for us. And this is the exact same thing I was saying about Uzane. And she goes on like to say, hey, we're another person, like I'm like, this is not the time. Like, this person is getting help, like maybe find a different setup. But she's here to tell you ukuthi I'm taking a step to get help because I noticed ukuthi angikho right. Anyway, the last scene, guys, we see the Matsai sisters. They are coming back from the graveyard. Ushuwuti, they went to go and see their father by the graveyard. They went as sisters by Abuya Yemanje. They didn't go with the mother. So the mother, what did you say to Cosmos? Cosmos is the name of the father. Emangwabeni, like, what did you say to him? So one thing I can say is that most of the sisters could resonate in saying that they really miss their father. You know what's the sad thing, guys, is that this man, Mengizwa from the sisters, he was a phenomenal father. He was a good father because they all miss him. But he was a terrible partner to their mother. And that's the thing that I feel like sometimes we don't know, or maybe some parents, when they have not healed, they make us choose between our parents. Because yes, the person can be a bad partner to your mother or to you, but to your child, umuntu right. So it's important that awareness as well. You need to heal so that you mustn't try and recruit ingane ukuthi ingane must see their father in a bad light just because you experience them in a bad light. Because there, the Matsai sister's mother, she's allowing her kids ukuthi baya mangwabeni and speak well of their father, even though she says ukuthi mina ngiyanga because he was not my husband. So you can see which she still has that thing of this man never respected me. But you'll never hear her speaking bad about him because the children have a good experience of him. The only person who doesn't have a good experience of him is Ubusi, because Ubusi says by the time she was born, umshado or the relationship beyiphelile. So every time she did something wrong, Upumzile would take Ubusi to the father and the father would always hit her. So she says the only relationship she has, no Cosmosi, is him like disciplining her. She doesn't know the thing, role, father figure, like the way the other sister speaks so well of the father. She doesn't know that because by the time she was born, everything was just ruined, which is sad, you guys. But anyway, yeah, the sisters saying they miss their father and whatnot, and that's how the episode ends, you guys. Guys, these sisters, Zaibo, Baya Rasta, wouldn't drama week after week. I'm just like, guys, Zaibo, we all have family issues, but these ones, I'm just like, it seems deep, guys. Anyway, let's park it right here. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.